Everybody that I know loves carnitas. And I'm gonna give you the recipe that you need. This is a keeper. To make carnitas, we need 3 to 4 pounds of pork butt. And I already cut it into chunks of about 1.5 inch. So I'm adding the pork right in here. I wanna let the meat sit and settle. I'm gonna add a teaspoon of salt. There's many versions of carnitas, but this is my take, Mexico City style. I'm gonna make a braising liquid that uses 1.5 cups water, 6 cloves of garlic, a half a white onion that I already cut into chunks, a teaspoon of dried marjoram and a teaspoon of dried thyme, another teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of black pepper, and I'm gonna puree this until smooth. I'm gonna pour the braising liquid right over the top. Now you wanna scrape all those brown bits from the bottom of the pan. They have so much flavor. The liquid is starting to bubble and simmer, and I'm gonna add the rest of the ingredients that will make these the best carnitas ever. 1 cup of orange juice. It's gonna give it a little bit of a tang. Everybody that makes carnitas in Mexico that I know adds something sweet. I love using 2 tablespoons of sweetened condensed milk. And I'm gonna add 2 bay leaves, 2 tablespoons from the pickled jalapeno brine. If you go to Michoacan or if you're in Mexico City or wherever you are in Mexico and people are eating carnitas, you always chase it with pickled jalapenos. The pickling brine, you can see the color is vinegar and spices. The brine has a lot of the flavor from the jalapeno too. And now all you need to do is let it come to a simmer and then cover your pot and cook it anywhere from 1.5 to 2 hours over low medium heat, and then your carnitas will be ready. This is perfection. Look at the carnitas. You wanna stop when you can see the bottom of the pot. Look at the meat. This is insane. And the carnitas are ready. Ah. These are the carnitas you wanna make at home. So you wanna shred these. See how it's just falling apart. I'm gonna heat my tortillas. Always at these 2 tacos. It truly smells like a Mexican market where you find carnitas in the stands. Okay, so the tortillas are ready. They're like crispy on the outside, super succulent and moist. I'm gonna add a little bit salsa verde, onion, cilantro. Okay, chase your carnitas taco with the pickled jalapeno. Chase it. It's a perfect match.